and welcome. This is a very special occasion because this is perhaps the first official, we've had joinings here before, but this is the first official press conference of the TMC in Goa. So obviously we couldn't invite all the leaders, so there are few familiar faces here. We have Lavu Mamledar, who needs no introduction, who's a former MLA. On my right is a young lawyer, Yatish Nayak. Not only a young lawyer, but a very strong voice. On my left is Swati Kerkar, who's even had the distinction of fighting a Lok Sabha election. On her left is N. Shivdas, Sahitya Academy Award winner. So we all couldn't fit here. So I'm really sorry that Dr. Fernandez, Dr. Jocelyn Fernandez, former president of the United Goa Democratic Party, is here. Joined us yesterday, in fact. And Pratibha Borkar. You see these faces here. Clean, credible, incorruptible. Now, from the All India Trinamool Congress, this is not the norm when I need to sit here and do a press conference, because they're all much more capable than I am to do a press conference. And they will be doing all the press conferences. Mr. Falero and so many others will be doing all the press conferences. But it is important today to introduce this team. We talk about a new dawn. This is the new dawn. These are the faces. Some of them have not fought elections before. This is what we present to Goa. Now, today's press conference is divided up into two parts. There's been some big breaking news in the last 30 minutes. So I will first address that. Then we will come to the big issue in Goa, which we will address in Konkani. And after that, we will take a few questions. So the big breaking news which has come out in the last 30 minutes is that throughout the monsoon session of Parliament, all 20 days, 3 weeks of the monsoon session of Parliament, the BJP government did not allow a discussion on Pegasus, did not allow a discussion on internal security, did not allow Snoopgate and hacking, where everyone's mobile phones, including the TMC General Secretary, including IPAC who work with us. It is a big issue. TMC brought this issue up every single day of Parliament, and we were joined in Parliament by all the other opposition parties. So today, what has happened, it's evident by the words of the Supreme Court that the BJP has been caught. Yesterday, they were exposed in corruption in Goa. Today, on Pegasus. So that means the BJP government, Modi and Shah, were responsible for washing out an entire session of Parliament. What a shame. All opposition parties were united in this, and I'm happy and glad to say that we were the first party from day one of Parliament who gave notices to discuss Pegasus. Now let's come to the issue of Goa, which we'll do in English and Konkani. You have been seeing what is happening to all the promotional material featuring India's only woman chief minister. We all know this is certainly not the culture of Goa. We all know this kind of undignified, obnoxious behavior is not only being done by the BJP, they are also proud of it and they are endorsing it. Why are they so scared of TMC? Why? Mamta Di is coming tomorrow. I want to inform the members of the media that the program for tomorrow, day after tomorrow and 30th, we will share with you tomorrow. Right? We will share the full program. But we cannot imagine what is happening, and let the people of Goa see for themselves. But then we are not surprised. We are not surprised. A former RSS chief said that women should be staying at home and doing the cooking. RSS is the fountainhead of the start of the BJP. How many women members do they have in RSS? Or is a woman allowed in an RSS Shakha? No, they are not. And Swati, you must also speak in Konkani maybe after Yatish finishes to express this. So this is the situation. Let me make two more quick points on these hoardings. One is, if you look at the contract, the hoarding contract is a local contractor, is a person, a business people from Goa. So when you are defacing and damaging those hoardings, you are hurting the business of Goa, because those men who have signed and women who have signed the contracts with us, it is their liability for the damage on the hoarding. Why does the BJP, as it is they do no governance, then the governor, former governor goes and exposes the corruption, and now they are hurting and damaging the business of Goa, of the people of Goa. But there's a very interesting story. Last year, in the year 2020, there was a similar incident, and I want to share this story with all of you in Goa today. And you can go back to your online and you'll find the pictures. I have it on my phone. The New Zealand Prime Minister, Jacinda Ardern, woman, across New Zealand, the opposition party there defaced all her hoardings, blackened it and defaced it all over just before the election. And what happened in the election? After a few months, Jacinda Ardern, the Prime Minister of New Zealand, won a 52% sweeping majority. You want to take us on in TMC? Take us on. Take us on politically. We fought the communists for 34 years. Take us on politically. Respond to the charge sheet, which my colleagues had read. We've given a people's charge sheet with 9 points. Respond to those charge sheet. Tell us, how many young Goans are unemployed? Tell us whether people living in this state can buy a home in this state. Tell us all these points, rather than do this, indulge in such boorish behavior. I now request Yatin Nayak. I'm going to move the microphones. Yatin will address you in Konkani. After that, Swati will say a few words. And at all these voices, these are all wonderful voices of Trinamool, N. Shivdas ji, Swati Kedkar, Dr. Fernandes, Pratibha, Lavu Mamledar, and so many more. Credible voices from TMC. Yatish.
तुम्ही गोंयभर पळयलां आसतलें. अमित शाह गोंय येवच्या एक दीस पयलीं आमचे सगळे फ्लॅग आनी बॅनर काडले तृणमूल पक्षाचे, आनी बीजेपीन आपले फ्लॅग आनी बॅनर लायले. तो गेलो. आतां आमची जी होर्डिंगां आसा, बॅनर आसा, ताजेर आमच्या लिडराच्या मुखार काळें फासलां, कट केलां. हे काळें फासून कांय जावपाना, कित्याक पयर गोंयचो आदलो गव्हर्नर सत्यपाल मलीक जी, जो बीजेपी अपॉयंटी आशिल्लो आनी जो गोंयांत आसतना ताणें बीजेपीची राजवट हांगा पळयल्या, ह्याच मुख्यमंत्र्याच्या अंडर ताणें सरकाराचेर काळें फासलां. ते काळें कशें काडटले? आमचे बॅनर जर काळें गेले आणि आमचे बॅनर जर कापले जाल्यार ते आमी काळे फासपा शकता अंगशान आणि बॅनर आमी रिप्लेस करूंक शकता. ते व्हडले न्हय, कित्याक हे इनटॉलरंट बिहेवियर जो आसा हो सगळ्यांक खबर आसा बीजेपीचो. सो तुवें आमच्या हाका बॅनराक काळे फासले आणि बॅनर कापले, काय जावपा ना. पूण सत्यपाल मलिकान ह्या सरकाराच्या तोंडाक जे काळे फासलां ते कितें? दुसरी गोष्ट, सरकाराचे तोंडाक जे काळे फासलां ताजेर हांची जाप ना, ताजेर हांचे काय म्हणणें ना. हांचे जे वागणें आहा ते लोकशायेंत बसना. बीजेपीचे वागणें लोकशायेंत बसना. लोकशाय म्हणल्यार कितें? लोकशाय म्हणल्यार पॉलिटिकल पार्टी, राजकीय पक्ष आपले ध्येय धोरण घेवन लोकांसमोर वता, लोकांसमोर आपलो जाहीरनामो दवरता, वचनां दवरता, आश्वासनां दवरता आणि लोकांची मॅन्डेट, लोकांची मतां त्या आश्वासनांच्या बेजाचेर, ध्येयाच्या बेजाचेर, धोरणाच्या बेजाचेर घेवपाक लोकांक सांगता की हो आमचो प्रोग्राम, आमकां मत दी, आमी अशें करतले सत्तेन आयल्यार. आणि हें करपाक खंयचोय राजकीय पक्ष करूं शकता. खंयचोय राजकीय पक्ष ह्या लोकशायेंत लोकांसमोर वचूंक शकता. पूण तुमी पार्टेचे आमच्या बॅनर काडप, फ्लॅग काडप आणि पयल्या दिसा तुमी सांगता की सगळ्या इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पोलांचेर जे फ्लॅग घाल्या ते काडचे, आणि दुसऱ्या दिसा तुम्ही कितें करता? ते काडटा आणि तुमचे फ्लॅग घालता. अरे हे चल्लां कितें? गोंयान केन्ना अशें पळोवना. सरकाराचेर भर दिया, प्रशासनाचेर भर दिया, कित्याक सगळ्यांक व्हडली सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ परफॉर्मन्स ह्या सरकाराक, भाजप सरकाराक तांच्याच आदल्या गव्हर्नरान दिल्या. काँग्रेस, तृणमूल काँग्रेस पक्ष जी आसा हे सदां म्हणत आसा, तृणमूल काँग्रेस पक्षान आमी लोकांसमोर चार्जशीट दवरल्या, लोकांची चार्जशीट सरकाराच्या विरोधात, लोकांचे जे म्हणणे आसा ती आस्पावीत करून आमी म्हणत आसा की सरकार फेल जाला, सरकाराकडे प्रशासन जमना, सरकाराक गुड गव्हर्नन्स म्हणटा ते मंत्रूच खबर ना, म्हारगाय खंय पावल्या, बेरोजगारी खंय पावल्या, हे सगळे आमी म्हणत आसा. पूण आता ह्या सरकाराक, भाजपाच्या सरकाराक, भाजपाच्याच केंद्रीय सरकारान अपॉइंट केल्ल्या भाजपाच्याच गव्हर्नरान सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ परफॉर्मन्स दिल्या. सो हे जे सत्यपाल मलिक जीन काळे फासला पळय सरकाराचेर, परफॉर्मन्साचेर, ताजेर हो सरकार एक्सपोज जाल्लो आसा. सो जितले ते विनाशकाळे विपरीत बुद्धी म्हणटा तशें, जितले हे अशे काळे फासतले, बॅनर पिंतले, तितल्याच लोकांक कळटा की भाजप कितले इनटॉलरंट बिहेवियर आसा तो. कित्याक बॅनरां पिजप हे गोंयच्या इतिहासान लोकशायेच्या केन्ना जाल्लें म्हाका याद जा. दुसऱ्या पॉलिटिकल पार्टीचे बॅनरां पिनप, बॅनरां म्हणजे ती होर्डिंग्स आमी होर्डिंग्सांचेर लायल्या न्ही, तुम्ही ताजेर चढप आणि ती बॅनरां पिनून काडप. राजकीय इतिहासान गोंयच्या असल्या तरेचो इनटॉलरंट बिहेवियर केन्नाच पळयल्लो ना. गोंयचे लोक पळयतात, गोंयच्या लोकांनी निश्चय केला फक्त मताच्या वरवीं आपले मत जाणून दितले आणि मतपेटीच्या माध्यमांतल्यान सरकाराक कळटले की हे कदेल गेले म्हणून आपले, हेच जावपाचें आसा. पूण हे वागणूक जी आसा, हे जी बिहेवियर आसा तांचो, तातूंत कळटा की ते एक्सपोज जाल्या. दे आर अनएबल टू टेल द पीपल की बाबा आमी फेल जाल्या, आमचे कडेन आनी कांय ना तुमकां सांगपा सारकें, हे सांगूंक शकना. देव बरें.
Thank you, Yatish. As I said, multiple speakers, but we will only use 3 speakers per press conference. So, different press conferences, you'll hear different voices. Swati will say a few words.
आज जे आमी गोंयान पळयता, ममता दिदीचे आमचे जे तृणमूल काँग्रेसचे बॅनर आसा ममता दिदीच्या चेहऱ्याचेर जे काळे फासले गेला पिजल्या आणि नाका जाल्ले बुरशे बुरशे थंय बरयल्ले आसा. खरें म्हटल्यार ममता दिदी वेस्ट बेंगालची चीफ मिनिस्टर आसा. सबंद भारतांत एक बायल मनीस जी आज ह्या बीजेपी सरकाराचेर सामकी तडफदार अशी तांकां प्रत्युत्तर दिवपाक उबी आसा. भारतभर आज तिचें नांव आसा, एक बायल मनीस आसा. आनी म्हाका दिसता हे भाजप सरकाराचे कल्चर आसा की बायलांक हो तांकां केन्नाच रेस्पेक्ट दिवपाक कळना. आनी गोंयांत जर आमी पळयलें कितल्या बायलांक आज तेणी विधानसभेन तेणी चान्स दिल्लो आसा. फक्त बायलांक हे पार्टेच्या कामा खातीर वापरप आनी फक्त हेंच्यांनी अशें बायलांच्या विरोधान काम करप म्हणून तर आज गोंयांत बायलांचे क्रायम रेट आसा तो पळयत जाल्यार कितलो वाडलेलो आसा ते पळयात. हांव भाजप सरकाराचो निशेध करता. खरें म्हटल्यार त्यांनी एक प्रोटोकॉल पाळोवंक जाय. शी इज द चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ वेस्ट बेंगॉल. हें करिनासतना ओपनली तांच्यांनी अशें डिफेस केले आमचे बॅनर होर्डिंग्स. पूण हांव एकूच सांगूंक सोदतां, गोंयचे लोक सगळे पळयतात, गोंयच्यो बायलो सगळे पळयतात. आणि आज जर तुम्ही पळयले तृणमूल काँग्रेसान ऑलरेडी आणि डिक्लेअर केल्ले आसा 50% बायलांक आज हांगा तृणमूल काँग्रेस फुडें हाडटली. तेन्ना म्हाका दिसता हे खंय तरी भाजपाची खुर्ची आज खंय तरी दळमळीत जाल्ली आसा. स्ट्रॉंग ओपोजिशन म्हणून आज ते तृणमूल काँग्रेसी कडेन पळयतात. आणि म्हाका दिसता हांव गोंयच्या बायलांक सगळ्यांक उलो मारता, पळयात हे भाजप सरकार खंयच्या दिशेन वता आणि लोकांक खंयच्या दिशेन व्हरता. सो बीजेपी सरकाराक येणाऱ्या काळान जे इलेक्शन येता थंय हे उत्तर हे गोंयकार दितले. आणि म्हाका दिसता गोंयकारांक तृणमूल काँग्रेसच्या वतीन एक स्ट्रॉंग एक पार्टी आज आपले मत दिवपा खातीर एक स्ट्रॉंग पार्टी गोंयांत मेळिल्ली आसा.
So thank you so much. Tomorrow we will let you know as to what is the program. All India Trinamool Congress, TMC, Mamta Di, and the Chief Minister. See, listen. When you say no questions, now I always like to laugh because we are TMC. We are not Modi and Shah. 7 years, not a single question. In 7 years, you could not ask one question. We are waiting. But today, in one press conference, you can ask 7 questions. What's the problem? Listen, the thing is that we don't know everything. We are not the perfect political party. We do good work. We try our best. And we also sometimes make mistakes. There are only 2 perfect politicians in India. You know their names. They can never make a mistake. They know everything. So please ask us the questions.
सर यतीश प्रश्न तुझ्यासाठी आहे. तू म्हणतोस की एवढी वर्ष गोव्यामध्ये हे चाललंय. आज 2 दिवसापूर्वी हे पोस्टर निघालं. तुम्ही एका प्रकारे बीजेपीला हे दिलंय का, आव्हान दिलंय का? अशा प्रकारे
एक कार्टून आशिल्लो थंय दिदीच्या पायापना इवन प्रायम मिनिस्टर तुम्ही आता म्हणले की ती सीएम तिच्या फोटोवाचेर केन्ना काळे हे करप ना. पण तुमच्या पार्टीन स्वतः देशाचे पीएम आसा, होम मिनिस्टर आसा, तेका दिदीच्या पायापना दाखयले. ते कितें तेजेर तुम्ही कितें सांगतली?
आम्ही खंयच्या बॅनराच्या अंडर बसल्या? गोवा तृणमूल काँग्रेस सारखे. गोवा तृणमूल काँग्रेसीन खंयचोच असलो पोस्ट घालूना.
इट्स अ कॉन्ट्रोवर्सी.
Please understand. Please understand. Hear me out. Please hear me out. Please hear me out. And I think Yatish will say it much better. I can't speak in Congo. Please hear me out. What did I say just before this? We are not the perfect. We are not perfection. If something went up for a few minutes and it was removed, not even by the party, it was not from the Goa TMC, by the way, and even if something went up, we had the humility and the grace. If you think it was incorrect, it was removed, and you move on. Please understand this very, very carefully. This is the press conference of the Goa TMC. One minute, let me finish. Let me finish. If you have the grace, Sir, since you asked the question, at least listen to my answer, then Yati should answer also. If you have the grace to remove it within minutes, you have to have the grace, you have to have the dignity to say you are not perfect. Only Modi and Amit Shah are perfect. We all have our imperfections. We don't claim we are perfect. So please understand this and take it in that spirit. Please take it in that spirit. Will the BJP now repair all those hoardings which are here, which are hurting growing businessmen? Have the humility to say you can make an error and correct the error and move on. Okay, in that spirit.
So, but their demand is to apologize on that.
Please understand. We are not going to make apologies. You first give us the answers to the 9 charge sheet you gave. Don't distract the. Please, our press conference. 1 minute. See, listen. We can have a press conference. We can also have a conversation. But we have to understand. Firstly, you are in a TMC office with 7 of us willing to take any kind of questions. I would urge and appeal to you in the media. Please try this in the BJP office, not only in Goa and Delhi, where you can ask one question to Modi, one question to Shah. We have the humility to try and answer your questions. We have said enough on that subject. If there's any other subject you would like to ask us, Yatish has also answered that question.
Yes, sir.
If there's any other, 1 minute please. See, you have the right to ask a question. So we have the right to decide. We'll go on to the next subject. Is there any next subject you would like to answer?
आंसर मिला ही नहीं हमको अभी तक.
आन्सर यतीश तू सांग ह्याच्या आधी एवढी आम्ही बघतोय 2 ते 3 महिने झाले हे पोस्टर लावले होते, बॅनर लावले होते. त्याच्या आधी असा कधीच प्रकार झाला नाही. कार्टून निघाला, त्यांनी प्रत्युत्तर दिलंय. स्वतः तानावडेंनी सांगितलं जर असं करत असेल तर आम्ही त्याला प्रत्युत्तर देणार आहे.
मी तुम्हाला सांगतो, हे बघ, तू
आणि
माझा
एवढे
चांगला
3 महिने हे
तू
बॅनर
माझा चांगला मित्र आहे, हे ऐक तरी माझं. तू प्रश्न विचारलं, माझं ऐकून तरी घे. तुझा प्रश्न काय आहे ते समजलं मला.
यतीश कोकणे.
ताणे म्हाका मराठीन विचारलें म्हणून पळय, लक्षां घे. हांवें तुका जें सांगलां ताजेर फुडें वचून आमचो खासदार ताणें जाप दिल्या. तुका जर म्हजे कडल्यान तुजे प्रश्न म्हाका कळ्ळे. आतां म्हजी जाप आयक. गोवा तृणमूल पक्षांत असले तरेचे कांयच करू ना. असले तरेचे तू सांगता ते कांय घालना. ऐक म्हजे,
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
ऐक मरे गौतम, ऐक. तुवें म्हाका प्रश्न विचारलो, तुजें हांवें आयकलें, हांवें तुका उत्तर दिलें. गोंय तृणमूल काँग्रेस पक्षान आपल्या नांवा अंडर असलें कांय घालू ना.
Just 1 second.
प्रश्न विचारला, हांवें तुका उत्तर दिलें न्ही.
1 minute. Excuse me. You are here. We are having a nice interactive session. If there is any other subject, we have addressed this issue not once but 3 times. We are happy to answer the questions. Otherwise, we are again inviting you. Just 1 second. We are inviting you for another press conference today at 3 p.m. where we have a joining in the party office.
I just wanted one.
Yeah, sure. Just I make a request to you, so because I don't know all of you, can you just introduce yourself, which paper, so I also get to know.
I'm
Because
the secretary from Herald. Can I ask you one question?
Please.
You spoke about beginning about Pegasus Snoopy, right? That was observation made by Supreme Court that 3 weeks of monsoon session was washed out because the verdict is given by Supreme Court today. So I just wanted to know, was it the
that's a good question. I, as a political party, as a member of a political party, the Supreme Court has made an observation. My simple limited point, which is in the public domain, all parties, including TMC and all opposition parties, I don't mind saying, so was DMK, so was Congress, so was RJD, so was Shiv Sena, so was Aam Aadmi Party. So many of the parties were there in Delhi. What has happened has happened. My limited point is that for 21 days, TMC gave notices to discuss this issue in Parliament for 21 days, day 1 to day 21. The issue was not discussed. It was pushed under the carpet. Today what the court has said is that you cannot push this under the carpet. You thought we were only raising it because why? You tapped the phone of, you snooped on the phone of our General Secretary Abhishek Banerjee and so many other journalists, etc. All we are saying is that the BJP wasted the country's time. 21 days of parliament, they should have had a discussion on day 1 or day 2. That's the limited point. Okay?
Three-member
Thank you.
committee has been constituted.
I know that. So the 3-member committee, expert committee have been constituted. They will go about their job. Why didn't the BJP allow this on the first day of parliament? Okay? Thank you. Good afternoon. Next one, 3 o'clock.
मॅडम
Let's go.
तुमका एक प्रश्न आला तुम्ही सांगले की बायलांक बीजेपी हाती स्थान दिना सारखे म्हणून आणि तृणमूल काँग्रेस दितली म्हणतात म्हणजे बायलांक तृणमूल काँग्रेस तिकीट बी कितले दितली
That will be
50% बायलांक पुढे हाडटली.
Tickets and all that.
What is the question?
Tickets.
No, for women.
Reservation for
They already, yeah.
Acha, women.
Yeah.
Women.
Yeah.
Please do not. This is one of our favorite subjects. Okay. So we will not. We will speak less. We will show you with our actions. TMC will speak less. You will see with our actions. When TMC says good, clean people, please look at the people. I'm so proud that they are my colleagues.
So can we hope that you will give representation, 50% representation to the women? Can we hope that your party will give 50% representation to the women?
Arey, we already gave 40% tickets. We already have 40% women MPs. Wait and watch. Wait and watch.
गोवा में women को देंगे क्या?